Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for coming in our presentation. It is great to see you all. I would like to introduce my team. The first one is Dian Stella Maris Halusi, Mira Agisni, Irda Apriliana Ningrum, Haris Hidayatullah, Chabila Maufira Izani, and me, Reni Dea Kumalasari. In this presentation, we will discuss about social change. First, we will explain to you about meaning of social change, then the form of social change, positive impact, negative impact, factors and examples of social change. So, just for material about nation of social change will be explained by Mira Agisni. To Mira, time is yours.
Social change is a change in a social institution, social values, behavior patterns, organization, and others that occur in society. Social change can be transitional to modern, which is what is called modernization, namely an effort to live according to the times and the present world constellation. Kuncharoningrat, 1985. Thank you.
Then for the second material, namely the forms and impact of social change will be explained by Pirda. Pirda, time is yours.
Okay, thank you. From of social changes, 1. Slow social change or evolution. 2. Rapid social changes of revolution. 3. Changes with little effect. 4. Changes that have a big impact. 5. Planned changes. 6. Unplanned changes. Impact of social changes. Impact positive. The mindset of a more advanced society. Technology that makes it easier for humanity, more endeavor opportunity. Impact negative. The extension of social inequality in society, individualist attitude and unselfish, consumptive attitude, purchasing for increase.
Okay, thank you, Pirda, for your explanation. Next material is factors causing social change. The first and second factor causing social change will be explained by Dian Stella Maris. Dian, time is yours.
1. Population increase and decrease. The size of the population that is not evenly distributed can bring big change. For example, land and facilities or infrastructure are starting to be limited. 2. There are new discovery. The extent of new discoveries in a particular community will bring change to the social because of the new culture that can replace to all culture or mix it into a single unit. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your explanation. Next material, namely the factor causing social change, number 3, will be explained by Haris. To Haris, time is yours.
3. Openness to the layers of society. Openness in society can be a factor in social change because the presence of the type of society is very influential in responding to something new. Influential people are those who have an open mind and open mind to know things should that they are easy to accept this change. With a society that is always change, social change is also always evolving and being renewed.
Next material, namely the factor causing social change, number 4, is emergence of conflict. Conflict 5 or opposition is natural to occur in a particular social. Conflict in a society can occur because of pluralism or the emergence of a majority and minority in a particular community. As material is examples of social change will be explained by Shabila. To Shabila, time is yours.
Examples of social change: how to communicate. People who used to use standard language. Now young people are starting to communicate with slang such as shabby, squee, and others. Dress up. In the past, people still wore traditional or regional clothes. Now they have followed the trend and wear according to taste. Culture. Teenagers who used to only know the traditional culture of their respective regions are now familiar with other cultures such as Japanese and Korean culture.
Okay, Shabila, thank you for your explanation. From our discussion, we can conclude that social change is a change in social institution, social values, behavior patterns, organization, and others that occur in society. The social change have a positive and negative impact on society. Therefore, as a social society, we must be smart in responding to all existing social inequality in our society. Thank you very much for your participation. Goodbye and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.